Sound is not just a medium of communication. Sound can also be used as an offensive weapon. Sound is energy, after all, and this means that sound can do work on materials and bodies. If the sound is intense enough, the work can damage tissues, stun prey, and even kill prey. Weaponized sound is related to echolocating ability, particularly among marine mammals like dolphins, killer whales, and sperm whales. Echolocation among these animals involves being able to focus sound energy in a way that maximizes the loudness of returning echoes. It's not much of a leap to turn the volume up, so to speak, to produce an acoustic death ray, a focused beam of intense sound. We'll be paying the most attention to the various toothed whales, but I wouldn't want to leave you with the conclusion that weaponized sound is the province of large animals only. As we shall see, even tiny animals can weaponize sound. The most famous example of this is the pistol shrimp, which generates extremely loud sounds and through a rather unusual mechanism. As you watch the lectures to follow, I want you to keep three things in mind. First, what is involved in being able to focus sound energy into an intense beam, with sufficient energy to stun or kill prey? How is this a natural outcome of echolocation ability? Second, even if sound is not intense enough to be able to kill prey, can it still be used as an offensive weapon? Is there more than one way to skin this cat? And finally, what are the various mechanisms for generating weaponized sound, and how does this relate to the energetics of sound production?